probably about a 28-foot something like wingspan. Basically a real big wall airplane. And he says they're going to have 2 to 2.5 months to get this thing built. And he says, I'm too old to work 20-hour days. Let's go.
What materials are built out of?
Probably balsa and fiberglass. Some cast or molded plastic, since it's the fuel that the jet will use a plastic fuel tank.
Right down your alley. So pay, I'm sure the pay is pretty good.
Well, the pay would be what I demand.
Oh, okay.
Because these are Joe, who's not particularly wealthy, but the 2 guys who run the company. One's a wealthy businessman. The other one is a well-paid senior professor at OU, aeronautical engineer at OU, who also has been doing this kind of work on the side for a long time. So he's getting more money, private sector, than he is through OU. So he's wealthy. And the owner of the company is wealthy. So I would simply say, okay, you're over a barrel, $20 an hour.
You can't take too many pictures.
Just on recording.
Oh, is this video?
Yeah.